What if our very existence, our evolutionary journey, was influenced or perhaps even guided by extraterrestrial life forms? The idea might seem like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but there's a growing body of research that suggests it might not be as far-fetched as it sounds. What if our genes were indeed tweaked by extraterrestrial beings? What if the development of our intellectual capacity, and the very essence of what makes us human, are the result of cosmic tinkering? But who, or rather what, could have the power and knowledge to alter our genetic makeup on such a fundamental level? Have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered about our place in the universe? Could there be a hidden connection between our origins and the stars? Is it possible that the story of human evolution is not just about survival of the fittest, but something far more cosmic? This is the question that has intrigued researchers, scientists, and thinkers for centuries. And it's the question we're going to dive into today. What if our very existence, our evolutionary journey, was influenced or perhaps even guided by extraterrestrial life forms? The idea might seem like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but there's a growing body of research that suggests it might not be as far-fetched as it sounds. Daniela Fenton, a researcher and author, has delved into this possibility, and her findings might surprise you. So let's embark on this interstellar journey together and explore the cosmic question of human evolution. In her book, Fenton presents a compelling case for the existence of ancient aliens who visited Earth and genetically modified our ancestors. Daniela Fenton, a renowned researcher and author, speculates that our evolution as a species wasn't solely a product of natural selection. Instead, she argues, we are the result of a cosmic intervention. Fenton's theory is a tapestry of insights drawn from various disciplines. She references archaeology, anthropology, genetics, and mythology to present an intriguing narrative of our origins. Each strand of her theory, be it archaeological artifacts or genetic anomalies, is a potential piece of a larger cosmic puzzle. Let's delve into one of the more curious pieces of this puzzle, the Denisovans. These ancient hominins intermingled with US modern humans and our Neanderthal cousins, leaving behind traces of their DNA. But here's the kicker: their DNA contains elements of an unknown origin. Fenton posits that this unknown origin could be extraterrestrial. She also explores the commonalities in ancient myths and folklore across various cultures. The Sumerians, Egyptians, and Hindus, among others, all narrate tales of celestial beings descending from the skies. These beings supposedly imparted knowledge of various arts and sciences to humanity. Could these stories be echoes of ancient alien encounters? Fenton's theory also delves into the realm of genetics. She highlights certain anomalies in our chromosomes, such as the fusion of chromosome 2 and the presence of endogenous retroviruses. These, Fenton argues, could be indicative of deliberate manipulation by an advanced alien intelligence. What if our genes were indeed tweaked by extraterrestrial beings? What if the development of our intellectual capacity, and the very essence of what makes us human, are the result of cosmic tinkering? Fenton believes that these anomalies are not just coincidences but indications of a deliberate cosmic intervention. If true, this poses an intriguing question. Are we as a species the result of a grand extraterrestrial experiment? And if so, what does that mean for our future? The threads of this cosmic tale weave through the tapestry of human myths and legends. As we delve deeper into our human history, we find a common thread linking tales of old, from the Sumerian annals to the ancient Egyptian scrolls and the sacred Hindu texts. These civilizations, though separated by vast oceans and towering mountains, all tell of celestial beings descending from the stars. They speak of skyborn entities who imparted knowledge of arts, sciences, and the mysteries of existence to our ancestors. But these stories aren't confined to dusty parchments and forgotten lore alone. They echo in our genes, whispering secrets of our ancient past. Fenton draws our attention to these genetic whispers, anomalies that suggest we are more than just a product of natural selection. Consider the fusion of our second chromosome, a genetic peculiarity unique to us humans. Our closest relatives, the apes, carry 48 chromosomes while we, Homo sapiens, have just 46. This reduction is the result of the fusion of two primate chromosomes. But how did this fusion occur? Natural evolution or the hand of a higher extraterrestrial intelligence? Fenton points to another genetic mystery, the presence of endogenous retroviruses in our DNA. These are remnants of ancient viral infections, passed on from generation to generation. Some of these retroviruses have been with us for millions of years, and yet, they do not cause disease. Instead, they have been co-opted for beneficial roles in our bodies, influencing everything from placenta formation to immune response. Could these retroviruses be tools used by advanced aliens to tweak our genetic code? Our DNA carries the echo of these celestial visitors, a testament to their influence on our evolution. The myths and legends of old, the anomalies in our chromosomes, they all hint at a cosmic intervention in our history. Could these genetic anomalies be the work of an advanced alien intelligence? The question hangs in the air, a tantalizing mystery waiting to be unraveled. As we continue to explore our origins, we may yet find that the architects of our evolution are not of this earth. Fenton takes her theory a step further, suggesting that our DNA was altered by extraterrestrial intelligence to enhance our intellectual capacity. Now, let's delve deeper into the heart of her theory. Fenton refers to two key genes, the MIR 941 and the ARA-GAP11B. Both these genes play critical roles in our brain development, and interestingly, they both made a sudden and unexplained appearance in our genome. The MIR 941 gene, for instance, is responsible for the development of neurotransmitter systems. These are the systems that allow neurons, or nerve cells, to communicate with each other, and they are integral to our cognitive functions. Researchers have found that this gene only appeared in the genome of Homo sapiens approximately 800,000 years ago. This period coincides with a significant increase in the size of our ancestors' brains. Similarly, the ARH-GAP11B gene, which is responsible for the development of the neocortex, the part of the brain that handles higher-order brain functions, such as sensory perception, cognition, spatial reasoning, and language, also appeared around the same time. This gene is one of the key contributors to what makes us human. But here's where Fenton's theory becomes truly fascinating. She doesn't consider the concurrent appearance of these genes and the evolution of our brains as mere happenstance. Instead, she argues that these developments are evidence of an extraterrestrial intervention. In her view, these significant genetic changes, which have played such a vital role in our evolution, are too convenient to be explained by natural selection alone. She believes that an advanced alien civilization saw the potential in our species and made deliberate modifications to our DNA to enhance our intellectual capacity. So, the sudden emergence of these genes, their pivotal roles in our brain development, and the timing of their appearance all point to one thing, according to Fenton: that we are not just products of evolution on Earth but also the result of a cosmic intervention. Fenton believes that these genetic developments are not mere coincidences, but the result of alien intervention. The most astonishing part of Fenton's theory revolves around the mystery of the second chromosome in the human genome. So what is this mystery all about? Let's dive in. Picture this. Instead of the 48 chromosomes that our human ancestors had, we, modern Homo sapiens, possess only 46. This anomaly is believed to be the result of the fusion of two chromosomes. Now, this isn't just a minor change, it's a seismic shift, a genetic revolution. We're not talking about a mutation in a single individual that spread over time. This chromosome fusion occurred in every single Homo sapien. This points to a complete replacement of our genetic set. But how did this happen? That's where the mystery thickens. Fenton posits that this wasn't a natural occurrence. Instead, she suggests it's evidence of deliberate manipulation. But who, or rather what, could have the power and knowledge to alter our genetic makeup on such a fundamental level? You guessed it, extraterrestrial beings. Consider for a moment the implications of this idea. If true, it means that an advanced alien civilization didn't just visit our planet, they fundamentally altered the trajectory of life on Earth. They reshaped our genetic blueprint, transforming us into a species unlike any other on our planet. But why would they do this? Fenton suggests that this genetic intervention was designed to enhance our intellectual capacity. The goal? to help us evolve beyond our primitive origins and reach for the stars. This theory, while controversial, offers a fascinating new perspective on human evolution. It challenges us to reconsider our place in the cosmos and the origins of our species. It prompts us to ask, are we really just a product of natural selection, or is there more to our story? Could this be the ultimate proof of alien intervention in our evolution? The question remains open, inviting us to explore, investigate, and perhaps one day uncover the truth. So what does this all mean for us, the descendants of this cosmic intervention? If Daniela Fenton's theory holds water, our future might be even more intertwined with the stars than we ever imagined. Imagine the very extraterrestrials who might have engineered our DNA could still be guiding us, subtly influencing our development as a species. Could our dreams, visions, and moments of synchronicity be messages from these cosmic architects? Perhaps they are nudging us towards our true potential, guiding us to awaken to our purpose. The possibility is as tantalizing as it is mind-boggling. And if this is true, what does it mean for our future? Will we ever match the intellectual capacity of our alleged celestial benefactors? Or are we destined to always be the apprentices in this cosmic workshop? As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our existence, we might find that we are not alone in this universe after all.